Assalamualaikum and good day. Today I would like to present my project Home Waste Portable Incinerator. My name is Muhammad Akmal bin Muhammad Zamri and my supervisor is Dr. Nur Hazwani binti Mokhtar. In 10 years ago, there were 2.9 billion urban residents who produced 0.64 kg of municipal solid waste per person every day. Now, today's population already increased to 3 billion people that produce 1.2 kg of waste for each person per day. By 2025, they estimate that the population continue increase to 4.3 billion that generate 1.42 kg of municipal waste per person for every day. In South Asia, each year they generate 7 million tons of waste, with 1% produce waste in range of 0.12 kg to 5.1 kg each day, with average 0.45 kg per capita per day. To dispose the waste, there are many ways, for example, open burning, recycling and material recovery, incineration and landfill. All of these ways have their pros and cons, which pollute the environment except for recycling and material recovery. Solid waste management in Malaysia become difficult to deal because the population increase every year. So it affects the generation of solid waste in our country. Malaysia average generation of solid waste per capita is currently 1.17 kg per day. In Malaysia, landfill is the primary method to dispose the waste because it's easy to operate, require less technology and technical feasibility. Issue number 1. Several landfills already reach their maximum faster than estimate their lifetime as a result from fast-paced urbanization and population growth. Issue number 2. Incineration is either one of disposal method, but the cost of operating is very high because isolation is an expensive process and it requires high-trained workers. And issue number 3. Service for solid waste collection are only offered in metropolitan areas, while residents on rural region dispose the solid waste with bury or open burning, which contribute to illegal dumping. So, this proposed fabricate the small-scale incinerator that's suitable for home use. First objective is to design small-scale portable incinerator which is suitable for home use. The second objective is to fabricate small-scale portable incinerator with material available in market. The last objective is to analyze and validate the product development. Next is project scope. Scope number 1 is type of incinerator is for household use. Scope number 2 is the impact of incinerator on environment. Incinerator can reduce pollution, for example, methane gas. In landfill, the waste on the field is decaying and produce the methane gas. Next is harmful gas released by vehicle can be reduced during the transportation of solid waste. And landfill also leach poisonous chemical into underground water system, unlike incinerator. Next is scope number 3. To fabricate this small-scale incinerator, the materials we use is available in market such as drum, blower, trolley, air hose, clamp, pressure meter and temperature sensor. Scope number 4. Parameter consideration. We consider that the incineration process requires temperature between 650 to 1000 degrees Celsius with pressure 550 to 600 psi for complete total incineration within the short time. But if the temperature and the pressure not exceed the consideration, the process of incineration still can be run. Scope number 5. Types of combustible materials is only for dry solid waste material like wood, paper and cardboard. Dr. Kamaluddin in 2017, it tells about generation solid waste in Malaysia and relationship among urbanization, waste generation and available of landfills. Second is Ismail in 2013. It says the challenge process landfill in Malaysia is limited space available in this country and concern about the environment effect from landfill. Next is author Moh and Abdul Manaf in 2017. It's talk about solid waste management and disposal method in Malaysia. Also, number of landfill and incinerator in our country. This is methodology process flowchart. It starts with design survey question in Google Form, which we want to know some detail from respondent and their knowledge about the incinerator, and survey distribute through social media, and data collect from the survey. Next is design portable incinerator based on the data collect and our own objective. Then model validation of the prototype, run experiment, collect data and obtain the analysis. To achieve objective 1, we refer to literature review and distribute survey question to the respondent. And to fabricate the incinerator, we collect data from the survey and running some flow simulation by using SolidWorks software. Lastly, we perform testing to the prototype with dry solid material like paper, wood and cardboard. Then we obtain data for temperature and pressure during the process. Preliminary result. The survey analysis are obtained from the survey question about the specification that respondent think it is important to small-scale incinerator. Then we have 3 models of drum with different size. Each of these model of drum will be tested in flow simulation in SolidWorks with air that represent air from blower. From the 3 models, one of the drum will be chosen based on pattern airflow in it.